Tired of juggling between Cash App and your GreenDot account? This video shows you how to seamlessly send money between the two in just a couple of easy steps. First, you need to make sure your GreenDot card is linked to your Cash App. Open Cash App and tap on the profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Scroll down until you find either linked banks or linked cards. Tap on it if your GreenDot card isn't already listed. Tap Link Bank or Link Card. You'll be prompted to enter your GreenDot card details, including the card number, expiration date, CVV code, and zip code. Double-check all the information is correct before proceeding. Once you've entered the details, tap Link Card. Now that your GreenDot card is linked, go back to the Cash App home screen and tap the money icon in the middle. Enter the amount you want to transfer to your GreenDot card, then tap Pay. Here is where it makes folks nervous, but you are paying yourself, so you're trusting you. Enter your email address or phone number associated with your GreenDot card, then select Pay. Review the payment details carefully. Make sure the amount is correct and that your GreenDot card is selected as the funding source. Tap the confirmation button, and that's it. Your money is on its way to your GreenDot account.